Hi guys, it's me Meghna. Welcome back to my channel, and in today's video I'll be showing you this look. This look I've created for bridesmaid.
You can ask the flowers. I sit for hours.
I know it looks little complicated, little too much, little difficult, but then trust me, it is going to be very simple. All you have to do is sit with me and I'll be showing you every step by step. I hope you have fun in it, you learn something out of it, and let's just go. Reason behind making this video is very simple because you don't have to be wait for makeup artist to come or parlor wali to come and then be stressed out of कैसे करेगी कैसा that झंझट से दूर. I thought why not just do your own makeup and let's just get started. First thing first, skin prep is a very important step. Do not start your makeup without doing skincare because your makeup at the end will not look good. It will look cakey, it will look heavy. So skin prep is very important. Prep your skin very nicely so that makeup stays for long. So to prep my skin, I'll start with toner. For toner, I'll use this. This is from L'Oreal Micro Essence and it has salicylic acid in it. I love this since I've tried this. There's no going back. Now that the toner is done, I'll move with moisturizer. This is Foxtail. It has brightening serum with pearl in it and it has many good things. It has niacinamide, it has salicylic acid, pearl, sisa extract, and it is good for both combination to oily skin. And again, moisturizer is very important. Without moisturizer, if you start your makeup is not gonna look good. Once you apply it, leave it for like 2 to 3 minutes. Give your skin a good rest. After moisturizer, don't start with anything else. Just give 2-3 minutes, let the moisturizer get absorb into your skin. So next I'll be using a highlighting primer because it is a bridesmaid look, a festive look. Lighting primer from Swiss Beauty and it is amazing. You can use it as a highlighter, you can use it as stroke cream, you can use it as under your makeup, above your makeup. This is multi-purpose. And this will give you an amazing glow at the end and you will have this most shiniest skin, most glowing hydrated skin. The faces start glowing. Pore blurring primer only at the places where I have maximum amount of pores. So you can use both primer together. You should know how to use it. So I've took very little and it is this one. I'll only apply on nose and then just dab on my pores. I'll not drag or else all my skincare will start moving. This will give you most soft looking base. Dab. Let that go in. I'll quickly repeat all the steps that I did. So first I've applied toner, second I've applied moisturizer, third I've applied highlighting primer. You can use stroke cream, and fourth I've applied pore blurring primer. And now my skin is all hydrated and all ready. So now let's just move with foundation. So for foundation I'll be using this from Lakme 9 to 5 Prime Plus Matte Perfect Cover Foundation, and this gives an amazing coverage. And the shade that I am using is N200 Neutral Nude, and I'll blend it with this brush and start with less And if you want, you can later on start building, but always start with less. This foundation is so good when it comes to coverage, so good. Little bit on my neck. I'll use same brush. Next I'm using is this from L'Oreal, and it has SPF plus vitamin C in it, and it is a tint sort of formula. It is very lightweight. Shake it before using it, little bit, and then just adding on the foundation that I've already applied, so that, and this is of my skin tone, the one that I'm applying now, and then I'll blend it with the puff. What I'm using is from Forever 52, and I love it. Is very nice. So before applying this, no, my foundation, my face was looking a little whitish. Now this is of my skin tone. So what I generally do is I apply two layer, one that is not of my shade, and second that is of my shade. And this one is not heavy. The Lakme one was matte and it was heavy, but this is in a tint sort of formula, water based formula, so it is very light on skin. And with that I am done with foundation. Orange shade color corrector, I'll rather use red lipstick. Move it on back of my hand and then just dab, and this will give you very natural looking pink sort of under eye. Once you apply concealer on it, this is not gonna look like this, so don't get scared to apply. And this is again for the ones who don't have different sort of color corrector. You just have to apply red lipstick, that's it. I have scar here, and then one is here. Now that the color correction is done, blend it again with a puff. Blend, gently dab, don't drag, or else it will all come out. Let's just go with concealer. This is from Swiss Beauty in shade 02. I'll apply here, here, and here. A little here, a little here. I'll be blending it with this brush. This is from PAC. So I'll blend where I've applied the product. So if I have to blend this, I'll blend it right there. I'll not take this product till here. So I'll blend it here where I've applied. Don't go too close to the eyes. See how pinkish it is looking. It is. I'll go with Beauty Puff and I'll dab everything in. Using Swiss Beauty pen stick in shade 06, and I'll place it here. Drag a line, and then here, and then here, and then on nose because we're gonna blend, and little bit on forehead if needed. Now I'll take same brush and I'll blend. So this straight line I'll drag like this towards down, and for this drag it upwards so that it gives you the most lifted look. Drag it upwards. So now that my contouring is done, I'll quickly move with blush. And for blush, I'll use Blue Heaven Lip and Cheek Tint Kiss and Blush. This is an amazing shade. I love, love, love. So I'll apply here, here, here. And I'll blend where I've applied. Dab, 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 dab. That's the only formula for foundation, for all the liquid products that you use. Could be foundation, could be cream concealer, it can be cream contour, it can be a highlighter, dab, dab, dab. See how lifted this looks. Okay. Now don't drag the product too much because then it will move everything, every skincare that you have applied. So don't drag. Dab, dab, dab. And remaining whatever that's on brush, I apply it here. The powder that I'm using is from Maybelline Fit Me in shade 15. Before you apply powder, quickly just go with puff to set the concealer. Good loose translucent powder. I'll take powder, I'll rub, and whatever that's on puff, I'll place. Take, rub, remove the excess, and then just dab wherever you want your makeup to last long. I'll apply it everywhere because it is a festival makeup, wedding makeup. You want your makeup not to budge from anywhere. You set everything in with powder and only apply powder after your cream products. So for powder blush, I'll be using this palette from Europe Girl, and shade I'll use is this, where you have applied light on top of that. So I'm putting little on my bridge of the nose, little here, and remaining I'll put here. So now that we are done with blush, we'll go ahead with contour. And for contour, I'll be using Europe Girl contour palette, and then blend it with blush. Apply it on nose. Wherever that you have applied cream contour, apply it on top of that, so it will not go anywhere. Your makeup will not fade if you do both these steps. And little on my forehead. Now that we are done with face, we'll start with eyes. You can do it in 2 minutes. I mean, it's that easy. All you need is a good tape. Remove the excess glue on the back of your hand and then apply. Yeah. Yeah. Now, first is first, we'll apply concealer on it. I am using Maybelline. Why I'm applying concealer is it will bring life to my eyeshadow. Without concealing, your colors won't pop out. Now that you have applied concealer, apply powder on it to set concealer on its place, or else the concealer will crease into your line. So setting it with a powder is very, very, very important. This palette from Mars, and the shade that I am using is this brown. I'll take and then just try to blend it with your hand by dragging it towards your nose. Now take a fluffy brush and just clean this area. It should be all blending. Blend only on upper side. Don't touch this. Only blend above crease line. And make sure your brush is very close to the tape. Once you're done with blending, take a goldenish sort of shade. I'm using this same palette, and then just put it on inner side, just like that. Do it same on the other side. And now blend this too. And that's it. It's so easy. Now just remove. You can create this within 1 minute. I'll quickly clean this area with a concealer. This will give you the lift. See the difference. Look at this side and look at this side. So it's very important. Once you remove the tape, put a concealer. Blend it with puff. So what I'll do is I'll dab, 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 dab. Yeah, that's it. Just like that. Repeat this on the other side. I'm just applying it on outer corner and inner corner. I am not doing full liner. Look. I'll be using this Stay 929 mascara. Waterproof and smudge proof. So even if you cry, it will not go anywhere. Not taking anything new. I'm just taking the same brush that I've used on upper side. Whatever that's remaining on the brush, I'm just using that. Your eyes are done within 2 minutes. So we'll quickly move ahead with lip liner. And lip liner I am using is of Mary Joke. Shade number is 024. I like to overdo my lips little. Because it is a bridesmaid makeup and you're gonna have fun, eat, drink, so I'm gonna suggest you a very good lipstick that is waterproof and it is not gonna come out even if you eat, drink, or do whatever you feel like. This is from Stage 929 and it is in shade 04 I Am Shy, and it has lip gloss in it as well. So remove the excess because you don't want your lips to look cracky. So remove the excess and whatever that's there on wand, I'll apply it inside like this. And once this lipstick is dry out, liner is in dark shade and lipstick is in light shade. I just love how it turns out. And inside I'm gonna apply a little bit of red, and that's my patent style. That's not gonna change. So now let this dry completely. It is gonna be waterproof, sweat proof, heat proof, whatever. We have to set all the powder product that we have applied with a good fixer. So for fixer, I'll be using Mass Seal the deal. Makeup fixer. Shake it before using it. Brush for highlighter I'm taking is this. So I'll quickly mix all three. Dab the excess and then just with a very soft hand apply. I take my little finger and then I'll apply here. Just like that. Look at the difference. It brings life to your makeup. And little bit here. This makeup is going to look good on all sort of festival. You can do it on Raksha Bandhan, you can do it on Diwali, you can do it being a bridesmaid. Here it is. I've shared you all the tips and tricks. If you like this video, please like, subscribe, follow